What? What's wrong with you? You okay? That was the distress boy. You all right? What? Can you talk? Hey, y'all hear that? Hey, what's wrong with you? What's wrong? Are you okay? Speak in your human voice. Are you all right? I need to know. I need to know what to do. You need me to call 911 or something? Hey, be serious. Be serious. I'm finna go call 911. Hey, I'm finna go.
He said what? Watch this. I'm gonna ram his butt. I'm gonna ram his butt. Excuse me. I'm gonna ram his butt. I'm gonna ram his butt. Stupid dog. I see you.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Get over here.
Get down on
No,
me!
I just want to hug you.
No, you want to kill me!
No, I would never do that.
I've seen Tom and Jerry!
No, you haven't.
Okay, you were right. This is nice.